So look at this question. So if you'll observe this question, you will have bracket and with some ugly power. So you know that we used to take this as z and we used to create this situation, correct now? And we also know, like, look at this. If you'll take whole thing as z, you will have differentiation as 2 power x power 2m minus 1, but it is carrying 3m. Here you will have x to the power m minus 1, but here you are having x power 2m or x power m, so we are not able to connect with it. And also you know that you cannot take this thing as z, but you cannot, because you can never reach that part, correct, because of this ugly power. If this is not is involved, then we can do something. So how we should approach? So suppose that we want to send something inside, okay. So according to me, I should send x power m inside it, so that this thing will become 3m, and 3m can create 3m. This thing will become 2m, 2m can influence 2m. This thing will become m, and this thing can create m. Okay, so that is my idea to send x power m inside. So suppose that if you want to send x power m, what you should send so that it will become x power m. So my point is, if you will send x na, like suppose this is some kachra, power is 1 by m. So if this thing will go inside, it will carry power what? M. So we should send x inside that one, okay. So we will take x common from the first bracket. So let's take x common from the first bracket. So you have taken 1x. So 3m minus 1 x power 2m minus 1 x power m minus 1, and then this ugly root 2x power 2m 3x power m plus 6 1 by m, and then dx. Let's send that x inside the bracket. So x power 3m minus 1 x power 2m minus 1 x power m minus 1, bracket is done. Now if x will go inside, it will become what? X power m. So 2 times x power 3m, 3 times x power 2m, 6 times x power m, 1 by m dx. Now look at this. If you will take this thing as z, 100% you will differentiate and you will get 3m minus 1, because the power get reduced by 1, no? So we got our things done. So what we will do, we will take the entity which is in the bracket as z. So it is 2 x power 3m, 3 x power 2m, 6 x power m dz by dx. We will differentiate with respect to x. So it is 6m x power 3m minus 1 plus 6m x to the power 2m minus 1, 6m x to the power m minus 1. So we have created the bracket. Just we have to take 6m common. So dz by 6m equals x power 3m minus 1 x power 2m minus 1 x power m minus 1 with dx, and we have things in the bracket with dx. So things are done. Okay, now do the replacements. So it is 1 by 6m, the thing was z, so z power 1 by m, and then dz. Let's do the integration. So it is 1 by 6m z to the power 1 by m plus 1 by m plus 1, correct? Plus integration constant c. Now, who is z? So you have to replace z. So 1 by 6m, and then you have 1 plus m power is means the denominator m will go to that numerator, and z was what? 2x power 3m plus 3x power 2m plus 6x power m power m plus 1 by m with integration constant c. So this is your required result. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.